In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in StanStore landing page. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to place a video right inside your landing page description, whether it's hosted online or saved on your computer. First, go ahead and log into your StanStore account. Once you're in the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu there. Find the option labeled My Store and click on it. This is where you manage your store settings and all the pages connected to it. At the top of the My Store section, you'll notice several tabs. Look for the tab that says Landing Pages and click on that. This will bring up a list of all the landing pages you've created in your account. From this list, choose the landing page where you want to add a video. Just click on its name to open the landing page editor. Once the editor loads, look for the main description area, often called the description body or description box. This is the section where you usually add text about your offer, product, or service. Above that description box, you'll see a set of formatting options similar to what you'd find in a typical text editor. Look carefully for a small video icon among those tools and click on it. This is what allows you to insert your video. When you click that icon, a pop-up window will appear. Here you have two options. The first option is to paste a video link from a hosting platform, like a video you've already uploaded elsewhere. Just copy the share link from your video host and paste it into the field provided. The second option is to upload your own video directly from your computer. To do that, click on the upload option and another window will open where you can browse your files. Navigate to the folder that contains your video, select the file you want, and then click Open in the bottom right corner of the window, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. If your video doesn't show up right away inside the description box, don't worry. That usually means it's still uploading. Give it a bit of time to finish. Once the upload is complete, your video will appear in the description area. You can click on it and press play to quickly check that it's working correctly. When everything looks good, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click the Publish button. This saves your changes and makes the video visible on your live landing page.